So many people are afraid to invest because they hear all the landlord horror stories of having to deal with tenants.
Right.
How do you deal with tenants? I know you have a lot of rental properties and you have for years. So any tips for us out there who have rental properties?
And it's really interesting because I could write a book, 101 Reasons Why I Can't Pay My Rent this month, or 101 Reasons Why I'm going to trash your place this month.
The new coffee table book.
Yeah,
right?
Exactly. People are afraid to invest in real estate because they hear all those, tenant and toilet nightmares.
Oh, God.
And the reality is, I don't have any tenant problems. It's pretty rare. Initially, I did because I didn't know what I was doing. And tenant, I'll say 99% of tenant problems are a result of not screening your tenant.
Oh, interesting.
Once you understand how to screen a tenant and weed out the people you don't want, but so many people, they got a vacancy and they're like, oh my God, I got to fill it right away.
Right. They're
and
panicking about the money.
Right. So
Oh, boy.
they're not paying attention to screening. And people are very clever. For example, someone will qualify, and it's not even the person that's the tenant. Someone's going to qualify, and they're paying someone to qualify, and then this person moves in. It's crazy stuff. Or people don't actually check their background. The number one thing that is absolutely mandatory, you have to look at the person's place. Someone's credit can be good.
Yeah.
Someone's job can be good. Their application can be all pretty. All the questions can be answered nicely.
Yes.
But if they're pigs, they're going to destroy your place. Wow. Someone can skip out on 30 days worth of rent, maybe 60 days worth of rent, but they can do $25,000 in damage in 30 days.
Oh my gosh.
So the number one thing is screening the application and knowing how to sift through the BS.
Sure.
And then when you get it down to your 3 or 4 number one candidates, then it's actually what condition is their home. If the place is a pigsty, your place is a pigsty.
How do you know what condition their home is in?
In the old days, whether we self-managed, whether we self-managed or we had a property management company, we said, you must, before we'll sign off on any tenant, you must visually look at their place.
Okay.
Nowadays, with modern technology, FaceTime, you
that
literally
makes
can
sense.
Call a tenant and say, one of the things we want to do is we want to see your place.
Oh boy.
And some people say, well, what if they clean it up? A pig doesn't know they're a pig. I mean, filthy people don't know they're filthy.
That's interesting. Okay.
I've never seen a filthy person clean their house to where it was beautiful.
Right.
So you look at it, you FaceTime them, I want to see what your bathroom looks like.
Oh boy.
It's frightening. The place you get clean, the tub, is usually the nastiest thing in the house. And you look at their kitchen, and if their bathroom and kitchen, and if the place is nice, they're going to take care of your place. If the place is a dump, your place will be a dump in 30 days or less. So.
Oh wow, that's crazy. And then the expense of fixing damage.
Yeah, there's thousands of dollars. So the landlording is a very simple thing to solve, and if you just follow, there's 5 rules I have. If you follow the 5 rules, you really are not going to have any tenant problems at all.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.